In the late 19th century, Moscow was a city standing at the crossroads of tradition and change. Though no longer the imperial capital, a title held by St. Petersburg, Moscow remained the spiritual and cultural heart of Russia. Its skyline was still dominated by church domes and monasteries, its streets crowded with merchants, workers, and pilgrims. Railways connected the city to the vast Russian Empire, fueling industrial growth and drawing thousands of peasants into its expanding factories. Beneath the surface of religious ritual and imperial pride, social tensions were rising. By the early 20th century, Moscow had become a city of contrasts. Wealth and poverty existed side by side. Labor unrest grew, and revolutionary ideas spread through factories and universities. The failed revolution of 1905 left scars, but it also revealed the fragility of the Tsarist system. When the First World War erupted in 1914, Moscow was pulled into a conflict that drained resources, shattered morale, and accelerated collapse. By 1917, the Russian Empire fell apart. After the Bolshevik Revolution, Moscow reclaimed its status as capital in 1918, becoming the political center of a new socialist state. The 1920s and 1930s transformed Moscow at an unprecedented pace. Under Lenin and later Joseph Stalin, the city was reshaped into the symbolic heart of Soviet power. Churches were demolished or repurposed. Wide avenues replaced medieval streets, and massive construction projects rose across the city. The Moscow Metro, opened in 1935, became both a transportation system and a monument to Soviet ideology. At the same time, political repression intensified. Arrests, purges, and fear became part of daily life, even as Moscow projected confidence and strength to the outside world. The Second World War marked one of the city's darkest and most defining moments. In 1941, Nazi Germany advanced to the outskirts of Moscow. The city prepared for siege, with civilians digging trenches and factories converted to wartime production. Against enormous odds, the Soviet counteroffensive pushed German forces back. Moscow survived, and the victory became a cornerstone of Soviet identity. After the war, the city stood battered but triumphant, determined to rebuild and expand. During the Cold War, Moscow emerged as the capital of a global superpower. The 1950s and 1960s brought reconstruction, housing programs, and scientific ambition. Vast apartment blocks spread outward, accommodating millions of new residents. The space race, nuclear competition, and ideological rivalry with the West defined the era. Moscow became a center of diplomacy, espionage, and military planning, while ordinary citizens lived under strict political control, limited freedoms, and constant surveillance. By the 1970s and 1980s, stagnation set in. The city remained monumental, but cracks appeared in the system. Shortages, corruption, and declining trust weakened Soviet authority. In the late 1980s, Mikhail Gorbachev's reforms, glasnost and perestroika, opened Moscow to political debate and public protest for the first time in decades. In 1991, the Soviet Union collapsed. The red flags were lowered, and Moscow entered a new, uncertain chapter. The 1990s were chaotic and painful. State industries collapsed, wealth concentrated rapidly, and organized crime flourished. Moscow became a city of extremes. Luxury shops stood beside decaying infrastructure, and fortunes were made overnight, while millions struggled to survive. Yet the city also opened to the world, embracing capitalism, foreign investment, and cultural exchange. In the 2000s, Moscow regained stability and confidence. Fueled by energy wealth and centralized power, The city modernized rapidly. Skyscrapers reshaped the skyline, infrastructure expanded, and Moscow reasserted itself as the political and economic center of Russia. Under Vladimir Putin's leadership, the state strengthened its grip, and Moscow once again became the command center of national power. The 2010s brought both ambition and tension. Moscow hosted global events, expanded its metro, and invested in technology and urban renewal. At the same time, political opposition faced increasing pressure. Protests were suppressed, and relations with the West deteriorated. The annexation of Crimea in 2014 marked a turning point, deepening international isolation while reinforcing nationalist narratives at home. By the 2020s, Moscow stood at the center of global controversy. The war in Ukraine reshaped Russia's relationship with the world, triggering sanctions, economic strain, and intensified state control. Yet life in the city continued. Cafes stayed open, trains ran on time, and millions carried on beneath towering buildings and historic walls. In 2026, Moscow remains a city shaped by power, resilience, contradiction, and memory, a place where imperial legacy, Soviet ambition, and modern geopolitics collide. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through history, please take a moment to like the video. It really helps the channel grow. And if you'd like to see more documentaries about cities, empires, and the moments that shaped our world, consider subscribing and turning on notifications. Your support makes it possible to keep these stories alive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.